our families, to honor those who gave the last full measure of devotion in the defense of our nation and the freedoms that make today even possible. To the fans, we couldn't do it without your support. Thank you. To the formation in front of me, and to all the service members in the crowd, never forget, never waver. We've taken an oath to support and defend the Constitution against all enemies, foreign and domestic. This weekend, we gather with our fellow Americans. Let us remember the sacrifice of our teammates, honor our Gold Star families, and make them proud. Every day, we reaffirm our commitment to our purpose, to fight and win when the nation calls us. Take a moment, look around you. The nation is counting on us. This is why we serve. Thank you, and let's get ready to race Indiana!
To deliver today's invocation, please welcome Indianapolis Archbishop Charles C. Thompson.
Let us pray. O God, creator of all things, you have given us the gift of this day to show what is possible when we use your gifts and work together to achieve greatness. On this day, we remember all the men and women who have died to protect our freedom. We are filled with gratitude for their sacrifice as we commend them to your eternal love in heaven. May the 109th running of the Indianapolis 500, which brings us together in excitement and fraternity, inspire us to work together for unity and peace. Watch over these drivers, their teams, the officials, and every fan. Receive these, our prayers, and God bless those who serve to protect our freedom. God bless all those gathered for this, the greatest spectacle in racing. God bless our pacers, and God bless America.
Right, place. Stand by. Ready. Ready. Aim. Fire. Ready. Aim. Fire. Ready. Aim. Fire. Ready. Freeze, set. Up.
Five-time Gospel Music Association Female Vocalist of the Year, Natalie Grant, performs our national anthem.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleam, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets reclined the
fighter wing from Joe Foss Field Air National Guard Station in Sioux Falls, South Dakota, for today's flyover, Major Brian Fletch Lieber.
Drivers, to your cars.
Welcome, welcome to those gentlemen. And the field is getting ready to go. And let's go down to Anthony Calhoun.
Dave, thanks a lot. For the first time in over 40 years, we have a rookie that has won the pole for the Indy 500, Robert Schwartzman. He'll be joined here in the front row here. Taku Masato trying to do only what 11 other drivers have been able to do. That is win the Indy 500 3 times or more. And Palou Award came so close to winning his first Indy 500 last year. Is this the year that Palou wins the Indy 500? We're going to find out soon. DJ.
Thanks, AC. You know, the Batson,
Accompanied by the Purdue All-American Marching Band to perform Back Home Again in Indiana. Back home again in Indiana, and it seems that I can see the gleaming candlelight still shining bright through the sycamores for me. The new moon haze sends all its fragrance from the fields I used to roam. When I dream about the moonlight of the Wabash, how I long for my Indiana.
This is a great day for all of us. And to thank you, we want to say thanks to all the fans, our 300 plus thousand fans that are here with us today. And the millions of fans that are watching on television around the world to see the greatest spectacle in racing in the world. As many have said, this is a day of honor. We honor the men and the women and the first responders to keep our country safe and secure. Drivers, start your engine!
Ladies and gentlemen, Roger Penske. As the engines come to life, race day, the 109th running of the Indianapolis 500. It's just about go time.
All 33 cars are fired up. There's the fastest. And the field begins to roll along the main straightaway as the Chevrolet 2-on-1 pace car is ready to move them away.
All right, so all the way around the racetrack. Let's stand, let's wave. Here comes the field. They're pulling away. The people are pulling away. Four pace laps coming up. Got something special for you. Check this out.
This is the Pace Lap for America to honor Memorial Day and the U.S. Army's 250th birthday. The Pace Lap for America is escorted by members of the 160th Special Operations Aviation Regiment.
You old-timers thought you'd seen everything. Check this out. Coming through turn number 3, Black Hawk helicopters escorting the field. coming over to turn number 4, and then the main straightaway. Get those cameras ready. This is pretty cool. Who loved Indianapolis and the Indy 500, and of course we all love Jim, so good to have Casey Ursay Ford with us.
Look at Michael Strahan behind the wheel of that 2025 Corvette CR1.
Here's McLaughlin climbing out of the car. Oh no! Fire coming from this machine of Dixon's.
Dixon was ahead of McLaughlin in the line of cars, so what happens first?
Watch the video boards. This is turn number 1. Oh. Here we go, fans. On your feet, turn number 3. Field punches. Pace car about to pull away. Here they come. The 109th running of the Indianapolis 500 is about to go down. Marco crashed. Turn 1. He's out of the car. Restart. Quick right lanes in Indianapolis. Work behind the field. Out of turn number 4. Let's get him safely through turn number 1. Looks like we got through 1. Here we go. Wind them up. Auto over the big jump, and he has the lead.
Now here comes Takuma Sato to the outside of Schwartzman, and he'll pick up second spot to turn number 3. So Sato to second behind O'Ward. Schwartzman settles in third in line. He's got Felix Rosenquist behind him next.
Rosenquist looked like he wanted to make a move around Schwartzman.
Scott, you're out of the car, you're okay, but obviously we saw your emotion.
Laps completed. Ravens going out with Ray Hall, riding with him now. We saw him earlier fighting that car. He's currently waiting and watching for the green flag. And here's the green flag with Ryan Hunter-Ray in the lead.
Leads the field to turn number 1. They're too wide behind him, trying to sort it out.
Elio Castaneda is in 12th. Just saw him on the video boards. He's in that green, white, and blue car. People for a stop. Yeah. Oh boy, had a great run going, and something's up with Newgarden.
That's, they're going to plug the umbilical into the car, so there must be something not happening right there in that machine electronically, shifting gears, whatever it might be. Joe suggested. Look at this mix-up down the front stretch.
With Alex Palou, a shot to win the Indy. 32 laps to go. Here's Ferrucci, who's also got a shot to win this thing. He's back along pit lane. Ferrucci taking on 4 tires, fuel, and he is off in a hurry. He beat Ferrucci out of the pits, that's for sure. And there David
Ray on pit road there, along with Felix Rosenquist. Oh, the car stalled. Ray, it stalled.
Oh, what a day he had going there.
Kyle Kirkwood on and off pit road. The Hunter Ray car fired. It's the race leader down pit road. As David Malukas pits from the race lead.
Race leader is over the race lead. How about that? Lucas Palou, an award.
And this will become the race lead now. Have hit the pit lane here for their final stops. Erickson and so these cars in the head of the line. Go for it and turn.
Everybody on their toes here. Keep it clean. Gave it a look-see, didn't he? Gave it a look-see. Let's see what happens if he tries to step back out and make a pass this time by. 8 laps to go at the line. Who are you cheering for here?
Felix Rosenquist running 5th. Very quietly, having a solid day all day. Though never at the very front, Kyle Kirkwood with a brilliant drive up into 7th position on the day. Connor Daly runs 8th. And at the end of that last stint, his car fell back. Elio Castroneves is 9th. But it's all about this fight up front among these 3 as we get to the closing miles. Racing team. He's qualified in the first 2 rows from all but one of them. He's finished 9th over every one of them, including one where he got knocked around on pit road and had to go all the way back in traffic to finish near the front of the pack and have a shot at winning.
Erickson not going. Through 2. Palou looking smooth. Erickson not going away.
Palou's gap to Erickson grew by 1/10 of a second last lap. And Erickson's still right there, not going away, as you said.
Let's count them down. 2 laps remaining in the Indianapolis 500. Here comes next time by, you're going to get the white. Alex Palou trying to hold off Ericsson. They go to the backstretch.
Foster and Devlin DiFrancesco cars. Ericsson trying to find some magic if he can. Once below that, he hasn't been able to get close enough to try and mount a move. Off of turn number 4, here they come to decide the Indianapolis 500.
And here it is. Turn number 1, not going to happen. Turn number 2. With about a 3-car length lead coming off the 2. Diving low. Now trying to stay low. Those 2 guys in front of him, they're going to come up on turn number 3. And here comes Alex Palou, turn 3. Marcus Ericsson, can he make it? The last ditch effort coming out of turn 4. Yes! Caution on the track. Caution on the track. And the caution comes out. Checkered flag comes out. Alex Palou wins the Indianapolis 500. Alex Palou is your winner of the 109th running of the Indianapolis 500. He did it! Checkered flag comes out. Alex Palou wins the Indianapolis 500. Alex Palou is your winner of the 109th running of the Indianapolis 500. He did it!